there, friends! Today we're talking about Make a Friend Day. Having friends to talk to and play with is amazing. I love to laugh, play games, and learn from my friends. It's the best. Sometimes making friends can feel a little tricky though, especially if you're joining a new school or have moved to a new place. Making friends can make me feel a little nervous sometimes. Make a Friend Day is a great time to practice making new friends and helping others be friends with you. You can ask a group of kids if you can join a game you'd like to play. And if you're already part of the game, you can help welcome a new friend in. Being a friend is all about being kind, curious, and caring. Happy Make a Friend Day! To enjoy our library of over 300 classroom videos, please visit www.wondergrovesocialskills.com or scan the QR code.